I do want your views on what's happening in the primary market space, especially these IPOs. I mean, I'm given to understand that bankers are struggling to price new issues, primarily because the outlook is so uncertain when it comes to the business environment. Would you have invested in any of these new kids on the block, Vroom, Zoom Info, Warner Music, and the kind of reception that they've received in the markets?
I would not, and I'll tell you why. These companies, if they live up to their expectations, will need capital on a continuing basis. And the last thing you want to do is invest in a cash burning company in this market, because then you're not even betting on the market today. You're betting on the market staying healthy and supplying capital for the next few years. So I think it's a dangerous game. You're making a double down bet on the economy coming back fast. And this is not just the economy coming back. You need it to come back fast. So from that perspective, it seems like a bet you should not be making. But there are people out there making that bet.
And Professor, I just want to further understand your view on the role the retail investor is playing here, and perhaps if we can look at it through the lens of what's happening with Hertz. Yes, the stock did have a fall yesterday because they basically announced, or pretty much warned, that those taking part in their common share offering may see the holdings go to zero, essentially. But given what we saw with Hertz prior to this, I mean, is this just the poster child for irrational exuberance among the retail investor?
It's behaving like a deep out of the money option, not like a stock. And if you view it as such, it's actually explainable. If you try to explain it as you would any conventional stock, there is no way you can explain it. Because, I mean, it's got negative book value, its earnings are negative, it could go bankrupt. But think of it as an out of the money option. Think of what happens to most out of the money options. They end up worthless. If you view it as such and you think about the payoff being, hey, if the economy recovers fast, I'm going to make money, then I think it makes sense. But it's more of an option than it is a conventional stock. And that's how you got to view many of these airline stocks. The more options than conventional stocks.